Introduction to neurotransmitters and their role in mental health. Unlocking the secrets of our brain and unraveling the complex web of neurotransmitters is like embarking on a thrilling adventure. These incredible chemical messengers play a pivotal role in shaping our mood, cognition, and overall mental health. But did you know that what we eat can have a profound impact on their delicate balance? Yes, dear viewer, by harnessing the power of nutrition, we can fine-tune our neurotransmitter levels and unlock a world of improved mood and cognition. Prepare to embark on an enlightening journey as we explore how diet holds the key to balancing these fascinating molecules within us. How diet and nutrition impact neurotransmitter levels. Our diet and nutrition play a crucial role in maintaining optimal neurotransmitter levels, which are essential for our mental health and cognitive function. When we consume certain foods, they provide the building blocks necessary for the production of neurotransmitters in our brain. Protein-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes contain amino acids that serve as precursors for neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. These neurotransmitters are involved in regulating mood, motivation, and pleasure. By including these protein sources in our diet, we can support their synthesis and promote balanced levels. In addition to protein, healthy fats found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish are important for brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids specifically have been linked to improved mood and cognitive function by enhancing the communication between brain cells. Furthermore, consuming complex carbohydrates from whole grains like brown rice or quinoa helps regulate blood sugar levels. This is important because fluctuations in blood sugar can affect serotonin production, the feel-good neurotransmitter. Moreover, foods that boost serotonin, dopamine, and GABA. Foods play a crucial role in our overall well-being, including our mood and cognitive function. Certain foods are known to boost the levels of neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and GABA in the brain, helping to improve mood and cognition. Serotonin is often referred to as the feel-good neurotransmitter. It is responsible for regulating mood, appetite, and sleep. To increase serotonin levels naturally, consider adding foods rich in tryptophan to your diet. Tryptophan is an amino acid that serves as a building block for serotonin production. Foods like turkey, chicken breast, salmon, nuts, such as almonds, seeds, such as pumpkin seeds, tofu, and eggs can all help enhance serotonin levels. Dopamine is involved in motivation, reward response, and pleasure sensations. To support healthy dopamine levels through diet choices include foods rich in tyrosine, another essential amino acid that aids dopamine synthesis. Tyrosine-rich foods include lean meats, like beef or pork, poultry, chicken or turkey, dairy products, such as milk or yogurt, soy products, tofu or tempeh, legumes, lentils or beans, nuts, seeds, almonds or sesame seeds. GABA acts as an inhibitory neurotransmitter that helps calm the mind and promote relaxation. Incorporating foods that contain glutamate can indirectly boost GABA levels since glutamate serves as a precursor molecule for GABA synthesis within the brain. The link between gut health and neurotransmitters. Our gut has often been referred to as our second brain, and for good reason. The connection between the gut and the brain is a complex, bidirectional relationship that plays a significant role in our overall mental health and well-being. Within our gastrointestinal tract lies a vast network of neurons known as the enteric nervous system, ENS. This intricate web communicates directly with the central nervous system, CNS, which includes the brain. It's through this communication highway that neurotransmitters are exchanged, influencing various aspects of mood, cognition, and even behavior. Research suggests that an imbalance in gut bacteria can disrupt this delicate equilibrium, leading to lower levels of certain neurotransmitters such as serotonin, commonly known as the feel-good chemical. Serotonin is not only responsible for regulating mood but also plays a vital role in promoting healthy sleep patterns and appetite control. A key player in maintaining optimal gut health is diet. Consuming a nutrient-rich diet consisting of whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats can promote diversity among gut microbes while providing essential nutrients needed for neurotransmitter synthesis. In particular, fiber-rich foods help nourish beneficial gut bacteria by serving as their preferred fuel source. Fermented foods like yogurt or sauerkraut contain probiotics, live microorganisms that support digestive health, which have been shown to positively impact neurotransmitter production. Incorporating key nutrients for optimal brain function. When it comes to keeping our brains functioning at their best, incorporating key nutrients into our diets is crucial. These nutrients provide the building blocks for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers that regulate mood and cognition. One nutrient that plays a vital role in brain function is omega-3 fatty acids. Found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon and sardines, as well as walnuts and flax seeds, omega-3s have been shown to support healthy brain development and improve memory and cognitive performance. Another important nutrient for optimal brain function is B vitamins. These vitamins are involved in energy production and help maintain healthy nerve cells. Foods rich in B vitamins include whole grains, leafy greens, eggs, and lean meats. Antioxidants also play a crucial role in supporting brain health by protecting against oxidative stress. Foods such as berries, dark chocolate, spinach, and green tea are packed with antioxidants that can help protect your brain from damage caused by free radicals. Incorporating foods rich in magnesium is another way to support optimal brain function. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels and promotes better blood flow to the brain. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts like almonds and cashews, as well as avocados are all great sources of magnesium. Supplementing with natural remedies for neurotransmitter balance. Incorporating a balanced diet and nutrition is crucial for maintaining optimal brain function and promoting positive mood and cognition. However, sometimes dietary changes alone may not be enough to fully balance neurotransmitter levels. This is where natural remedies can play a significant role. Supplementing with natural remedies that support neurotransmitter balance can provide an additional boost to your mental health. Here are some options worth considering. One, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats found in fish oil, flax seeds, and walnuts have been shown to support serotonin production and enhance overall brain function. 2. B vitamins. Vitamins like B6, B12, and folate are vital for the synthesis of neurotransmitters such as dopamine and serotonin. Incorporate foods rich in these vitamins or consider taking supplements if necessary. 3. Magnesium. This mineral plays a key role in regulating neurotransmitter activity within the brain. Foods like spinach, almonds, dark chocolate, and legumes are excellent sources of magnesium. 4. Probiotics. As mentioned earlier, gut health has a direct impact on neurotransmitter production. Consuming probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt or taking probiotic supplements can help restore the balance of beneficial bacteria in your gut. 5. Herbal remedies. Certain herbs like St. John's wort, for depression, lavender, for anxiety, chamomile, for sleep, and passion flower, for stress, have been used traditionally to support mental well-being by influencing neurotransmitter levels naturally.